Property titling says if you're a husband and wife, a lot of times you own your house as tenants by the entireties, meaning when your husband dies, the wife gets it. When the wife dies, the husband gets it. Property moves from one party to the other by title. This is my favorite way to move property, when people give me a gift. I like gifts. I like pretty bows. I like nice wrapping paper. I love gifts. I love it when people give me gifts. It's a good way to move property. We do that all the time. Beneficiary designations I just talked about. Again, this is something you don't even need a lawyer for most of the time. You're with a financial planner. You have an online access to your account. You can change your beneficiaries online. Property also transfers through probate. Probate means to prove in Latin. Last will and testament, or if you don't have a will, intestacy, intestate succession. You die without a will, the law says how it goes. Okay? Property also transfers through trusts. We're going to spend a little bit of time on trusts. Okay. People get freaked out when they hear the word trust. They think it's really complicated. It's not. There's irrevocable trusts and irrevocable trusts, or revocable. Irrevocable trust means you can't change it once it's set up. Revocable, and some people call these living trusts, because they are a living document or they're an alternative to a will, can be changed. Okay? Then we also have inter vivos versus testamentary trust. Now, I always throw in some Latin to any presentation I do just to prove that I went to law school. It's important that I can spell it, say a little bit, I can pronounce it. Inter vivos simply means it's a trust created while you're alive. Testamentary trust is created at your death. So sometimes we call these, we're not really that funny, lawyers aren't, but inter vivos trusts, we call those vertical trusts because you're vertical when you create them. And testamentary trusts are called horizontal trusts because you're laying flat. Okay. All trusts have three parties. Let me tell you what they are. A grantor, and for simplicity, giftor. Something they use in California, the word giftor. Person making the gift to the trust. Second party is the trustee or the manager, the person managing the trust. Go ahead. And the third person is the right person to be, the beneficiary. It's good to be a beneficiary. Okay? It means you're the recipient. Let me tell you, it doesn't matter whether it's irrevocable or revocable. Doesn't matter if it's created while you're alive or after you're gone. All trusts, there's hundreds of kinds of trusts, have these three parties.